In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube app in your laptop and also how to install YouTube app on your laptop or your PC. Downloading it to your laptop or your PC makes for easy access anytime you want to browse or to use your YouTube app on your laptop without having to go to your browser. To do that, simply open your web browser and type youtube.com. Press enter. Now this will load the YouTube app on your PC. Once that is done, you click over at this right side, this three dots. Now just scroll down, you will see where we have cast, save and share. Now you can see where it shows us the option to install YouTube app. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, it will ask you, do you wish to install YouTube app? Simply click on install, and this will quickly be installed on your laptop. If you go over to the desktop right now, you will see your YouTube app being installed for you. You can see the app here on the desktop. You can also see it at the taskbar. If you come over to the search bar and type YouTube, you can see YouTube app here, and that tells you it's already installed in your laptop or your PC. And this makes for easy access anytime you wish to access your YouTube app without having to go over to your browser. You can simply follow this method. It works for any desktop or laptop PC. In case if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification bell and you will get notified each time we upload new videos in this particular channel. Thank you. See you. You can see I'm just playing around the app I'm just playing around with the YouTube app I installed. You can see YouTube. You see the whole thing coming up like this for you. So you can see I'm enjoying it. Yes. So do well, share your experience with me on the comment section. I'll be glad to read your comment. Make sure you like this video. Thank you.